Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Primaris is probably one of the most significant advancements in the Space Marine forces. These warriors represent a new era of combat effectiveness, boasting enhanced resilience and superior weaponry. They are the next generation of humanity's protectors, designed to face the galaxy's most formidable threats. Their introduction has reshaped the landscape of warfare. Number 5. Games Workshop Warhammer 40k Primaris Techmarine. This is a Primaris Techmarine from Games Workshop. He is a specialist in repairing tanks and war machines. You'll want to keep this one around to keep your vehicles in fighting shape. If you favor armored warfare, this Techmarine is essential. He ensures your war machines are always ready for battle. Never leave home without this expert. He comes equipped with a grav pistol, omniscient power axe, servo arm, mechadendrite, and a shoulder-mounted forge bolter. This allows him to repair and maintain the vehicles. This is a versatile addition to any force. This miniature is a must-have for any Warhammer 40,000 Space Marines collection. It is a plastic miniature that requires assembly and painting. Paints and tools are not included. Add the Primaris Techmarine to your army and ensure your vehicles stay in top condition. This will give you a significant advantage on the battlefield. Get yours today. What we like. This Techmarine specializes in repairing tanks and war machines. It is equipped with a grav pistol, omniscient power axe, servo arm, mechadendrite, and a shoulder-mounted forge bolter. If you favor armored warfare and want to keep your vehicles in top condition, you should consider this one. What people say. Great model, came in good condition. The model came in fine, no tears in the package, no issues with the model itself. It wasn't hard to build, only had an alternative head and left arm. Number 4. Games Workshop Warhammer 40k, Space Marine Eradicators. This is a great product from Games Workshop. It's designed for use and offers good performance. You'll be impressed with its quality. The product is very easy to use. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you can get started right away. This is a good product for use. It's reliable and effective, making it a great choice for your needs. You can expect good performance from this product. It's built to deliver excellent results, ensuring you get the most out of it. The quality of this product is excellent. It's made with high-quality materials and built to last, providing you with long-term value. What we like. This product is designed for ease of use and good performance. It is a good choice for those who want a straightforward and effective solution. If you are looking for something simple to use, then you should consider this one. What people say. Needed the bodies for kit bashing, but it's a solid kit if you need them. Great models, really loved painting the huge flommers. Love my Eradicators, the kit is fantastic. But on the tabletop they are a beast of a unit, I end up using them in cover ideally to protect an area. Have face melted many a unit vehicle who seem to not realize the power of this unit. A must for a Space Marine army. Number 3. Games Workshop Space Marines Primaris Aggressors Kit. This is the Space Marines Primaris Aggressors Kit from Games Workshop. It's a multi-part plastic kit that allows you to build a 3-man squad. Get ready to assemble your own Primaris Aggressors. The kit is made of plastic, ensuring durability and ease of assembly. You'll find all the necessary components inside to bring these warriors to life. It's a great addition to any Space Marines collection. Inside, you'll find everything you need to build a 3-man Primaris Aggressor squad. The kit includes all the parts required for each model. Customize them to your liking and prepare for battle. The kit comes with 3 Citadel 40mm round bases. These bases provide a stable foundation for your models. They're perfect for displaying your aggressors on the tabletop. This kit is designed for use in games with 2 players. It's a fantastic way to expand your army and engage in thrilling battles. Get ready to strategize and conquer. What we like. This kit allows you to assemble a 3-man Primaris Aggressor squad. It comes with 3 Citadel 40mm round bases. If you like close combat and want a compact squad, you should consider this one. What people say. First Primaris kit I've built and I wasn't disappointed. The fit was excellent, making assembly very easy, lots of detail and fun to paint. More elite Space Marines to help crush the enemies of mankind. 2 separate weapons loadouts are included and different head options are available also, highly recommend. They're aggressors, what more needs to be said? Absolute studs of the battlefield. Number 2. Warhammer 40k Space Marine Assault Intercessors. Today, we're looking at the Space Marine Assault Intercessors from Warhammer 40k. This is a great set for anyone looking to expand their army. The model number for this product is 9912-010-1283. You can use this number to easily find it online or in stores. The primary color of the miniatures is blue. This color scheme is iconic for the Space Marines. The product is made of cardstock. This material is perfect for the game. These miniatures are a great addition to any Warhammer 40k collection. They are ready to fight for the Imperium. What we like. This product is made of cardstock and comes in blue. It is a good choice for those who want a simple and effective solution. If you are looking for a blue cardstock, then you should consider this one. What people say. Lots of customization, more weapons than a thought, cool poses. Great value. It's hard to say this especially for this IP, but you get 10 minis in this box plus a bunch of extra parts. Number 1. Games Workshop Space Marines Primaris Hellblasters Plastic Kit. This multi-part plastic kit allows you to assemble a set of 10 Primaris Hellblasters. They are ready to bring the heat to any battlefield, and they're perfect for ages 12 and up. Inside the box, you'll find all the components needed to build your Hellblasters. It's a great way to expand your Space Marines collection and add some serious firepower. The kit includes 10 Citadel 32mm round bases, providing a solid foundation for each model. Also included is a transfer sheet to add details to the models. Made from durable, high-quality plastic, this kit is designed to last. The material ensures that it can withstand the rigors of assembly and play. This kit is suitable for hobbyists aged 12 to 99 years old. It's a fantastic way to get into the Warhammer 40,000 universe or expand your existing army. What we like. This kit allows you to assemble a set of 10 Primaris Hellblasters. It comes with 10 Citadel 32mm round bases and a transfer sheet. If you like a large squad and quality plastic, you should consider this one. What people say. Fun to assemble and play with on the tabletop, Hellblasters will be must-have for all Space Marine players. The mold lines are great, they assemble very easily. You have 2 options for your Hellblasters, one making it 1 shot at 12 I believe, and another for 2 shots at 6. Easy to assemble and customize. Very fun to paint. I choose to make mine Ultramarines as seen on the box, but you can paint them in whichever way you so prefer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.